Pushpam and welcome to Sitecore Sales. So this video I am going to show you how we can create the custom workflow model for our Udoth recipe page. So for that first we have to define the workflow state, then we can add that workflow state here. So before starting that, definitely we need two properties. One properties is publishing status and another one property is life cycle status. So for adding that, definitely we don't have that field now. We have to create that, and I'm going to create the fields now. And one property I'm going to use option list. Another one is I'm going to use on taxonomy. Yeah, let's start that. And then taxonomy, and then create, and then w dot recipe life cycle status. Manual sorting, and then create. Okay, yeah, I just created. mm, yeah, let's reduce the color. Yeah, we have now. Next, we can create the option list. Option list. Now here, flat status, and here status is bending, and next one is ready. Save. Yeah, okay, our option list and taxonomy is created. Now we can add these new fields into our schema. Our schema name is w.recipe. Let's search that. And here, let me create a new field, a new member group. That's workflow. Flow, and then save. In the workflow, we can add the members. First one is taxonomy, and that is w dot recipe life cycle status. So the name is recipe. So the name should be parent to child. So the parent is this one, recipe life cycle 2. Recipe. Let's use the label name now. To follow the recipe. That's fine. Many too many. Yeah, let's use that. So the cardinality is many too many. That's fine. And then save. Let's check the advanced and allow updates, and then save. And then next member is option list. Here, next, w dot publication status. Okay, then conditional, yeah, everything is fine. Then save, apply changes. Okay, our fields are ready. Step is we have to enable the offlow here. So just go here and then enable disable and then state flow. Yeah, this one we have to add, and the detail pages. Yeah, this one is already we have the URL recipe detail page. Let's use that. This one, I hope. Yeah. Only fields that allow updates can be selected, and the fields are two fields. One is publication status, publish status, and the one is this one. Yeah. Let's add this now, and then confirm. Um, okay. Fill out the field, display template, and click publish. Yeah, okay, I will do that. Um, settings, name, and then save. Yeah, okay. Smarazaka, let's give now recipe name. Okay, apply changes, it's published. Now we can enable that, and then this one is follow recipe detail page. Oh, spelling is wrong. So recipe detail page, yeah, this one, and then fields are the status, and the next one is this one. Yeah, that confirm, and in definition. Okay, hmm, I think the name are available, so it's not allowing me to update. Go to the taxonomy again, and let's do some modification in the name here, and then taxonomy, then w dot recipe life cycle, and how we can change the name. Edit. I think it's not possible to change the name. Let's give it try again, and settings, and no, I think it's not possible to change the name. So let's delete that. Before that, um, okay, um, okay. What are the values in progress under review created? Oh, yeah, in progress under review. Oh, go here, and here I can see the name is little different. Let's click here and then edit, then give the label name, then and then save. Yeah. First one is created. Save. In progress, and then in progress, and then approve. Fine. And now we can change the order. Created first, and then in progress next. Under review approve. Yeah, that's fine. Go back and go to your w.recipe schema page, and here we can delete that. An error occurred. Okay, refresh. and then delete, and the new member, and then taxonomy, and let's remove the old taxonomy now. Oh, and then w dot, and we don't want this one, right? Delete, because there are four entities in this definition, is it? Okay. Uh, Let me delete this. Delete. Oh, delete. 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 And then delete. And then delete. Delete. Okay. Hmm. Okay, it's not allowing me to delete. Okay, let's try to publish and then we can delete that. Here, w dot Uloth recipe life cycle. So the name should be Uloth recipe life cycle to recipe. Oh, let's use the same name here, and that's fine. And then advanced, allow update, true, and then save, and then publish. Yeah, we are good, and let's try to enable it now. Spelling is wrong again. Yeah, detail page. I feel sort publish status, and then this one. Let's give it a try now. Not find member recipe name. Okay. The issue is here. This one. So, do we have any fields? Relation recipe to assets. Mm, do we have any recipe name here? Okay, we don't have any fields the name of recipe name. That's the issue. Which one we can use? Mm, okay, let's create one more field. Uloth recipe name. Okay, refresh. We are getting there again and again. That's fine. Um, Uloth recipe name. Yeah, let's try to add it now. Yeah, apply changes, and then settings, and then here I'm going to use that name. Save, and then apply changes, and now we will try to enable and disable. Actually, it's taking lot of time to just enable that. Follow recipe detail page, and then now we can add that public status, and then follow recipe life cycle to recipe. This one. Hope this one. Then confirm. Yeah, successfully we have enabled that. So the next step is we have to create the state flow. So go to the manage, and then state flow, and then here let me create a new state flow, and the name is Uloth recipe flow, and then detail pages, our detail page, Uloth recipe. It's better to search only with Uloth. Uloth recipe detail page, and then target is w dot recipe. Yes, that's fine, and then okay, and I have created that, and now you can go and you can start your states. Mm, so I'm going to add the first status draft, and I don't like to assign it for any users or user group, but if you like, you can do that. And I like to use only this keep, and then save. First one is the draft, and then I can add in progress, and then review, and then upload. That's fine. Um, Saved, and then review, and then yeah, approve. And then edit transition, and now we have to move the transition from one state to another state, that we have to do here. Yeah, let's add it. First is draft, right? Draft, and then icon I like to use this one, and the next state is approve. Okay, in progress, and then save, close, and then refresh. Yeah, now we can see, once you completed this draft, it will come to this in progress. Why it's in interview? There is something wrong. Okay, close, and refresh, and first I have to add it in the draft, edit transition, and first one is the draft, and the icon is, let's add this one. Now asking for confirmation, please confirm, and the next state is draft to in progress. Okay, and then save, and then close, and then refresh. Yeah, now it's added, and once it go to in progress, I have to move this in progress into review. So this one is in progress, and icon is this one, and review, and last one is upload, and then refresh, and this one, and this one is review state. The review state, let's give this icon, and the next state is upload on, then save, close, and then refresh. Yeah, our workflows is ready, and so now our flow is ready. Now we can assign this workflow into our detail page. So for that, go to pages, and then main, and we have to add it in the outside. So in the detail page, where is our detail page? Oh, so this is our detail page. Still we have some space here, so we can add it here. So the entity image viewer, and here I can add the state machine viewer, and then enable, and then add. Once you add that, and we have to add our state here, fixed state, and the state is this one, and then show title, and then cancel, and then save. Okay, and then go to your Ulu recipe page. It's not coming, and save and close, then refresh. Oh, sorry, this page. Still I could not find that. So we have missed to add something, that is the entity operation here. So let's add that entity operation. Yeah, this one, and then enable, and then add here, and we can find that operation. The operation is this one, and then this one, and then here this one, and then select. Okay, and then in the more options, still we can add the option. Let's save it first, and then add options. Same state flow, and that we can move it here. Select the permission, select all, and then save. Okay, then go to your recipe page and then refresh. Okay, still it's not coming, and here I can find that option, so it's the more option. And but actually the main option is not coming. Let's try this, and state flow this one, and then save. And here I can see the values, draft, and then confirm. State is applied. Yeah, here we can find everything. And if you like to change the design, if you like to change this design, then we can do the changes here. So vertical steps, save, and then go here and then check. Yeah, here we can find that. And one more thing here we have to check, that is the thing is, if you check your entity operation, here we have added two operation, right? One is state flow transition and another one is assign state flow. Assign state flow means we are just assigning the new state flow for this to this. Assign state flow means that will assign the new state flow for our particular recipe page. That's the first step, that we can find it in the three icon more option. So once you assign any of the state flow to your recipe, then we can find this state flow transitions. So this option only display the selected state flow. So once you selected any of the state flow for this page, then only you can find this option. Let me show that. Now you can see in progress, and then you can assign the another state flow to this same detail page. So this one is the first one, the state flow transition. Next one is the assign state flows, that is this one. So let's check any of the pages, any of the other pages. Let's go back. Okay, it's not going back. Let's use this one, and let's add a new uloth recipe. This one. Okay, and then category, and then okay, sign type Australian, cooking time 34 minutes, and then save. Once I save that, here I can find that uloth recipe, and then asset. Let me add the existing assets, this one, and then this one, and then this one. Let me add 45, and then add. Once I added that, then let's refresh, and here I can find everything, and it's the new recipe page, right? So here you can find assign state flow, and I missed it to assign that, add, and then okay. And once you assign that, here you can find that option. The option is coming from this state flow transition section. I hope you have enjoyed this custom workflow. If you have any questions or if you have any doubts to clarify here, then please feel free to add everything in the comment section. I'm happy to answer everything. Thank you so much.